Good morning, everybody. Hey, it's Jimmy with jhhomeloans.com and City First Mortgage. Hey, I wanted to start this first time a new home buyer series off with credit. Let's talk a little bit about credit. Yes, obviously credit is important. If your credit sucks, there's no reason to think someone's going to let you buy a house. However, we can definitely help you get on a credit plan. Most of our down payment assistance programs, you need at least a 620. Of course, the better your credit, the better your score. But things that affect your credit, high credit card balances affect your credit. By keeping your card under 50, or really the threshold 30, or even 10%, makes a dramatic difference in credit card rates. I had a client pay a card down to 30%, raise their score on one bureau. 30 points is what we needed to get them done and get them a better rate, and they did it. So credit is super important when it comes to buying a house. Make sure you pay your student loans on time. Derogatory credit is crazy. Now, I'm not a credit expert by any means, but I've seen enough to give you some pointers. For example, you've got an old collection. Whatever you do, don't pay it. I hate to say that. It sounds like the wrong way to go, but by you lighting it up again, let's say it last reported 2 years ago, all of a sudden it reports again as a negative. So credit's important. The better your credit, the better your rate, the better your terms, the easier it is to buy. They're going to pull what they call a tri-merge or 3 credit bureaus. They're going to go by the middle score. So your mid score needs to be high enough to get you eligible and qualify. If your credit sucks or you're not quite sure where it's at, reach out to me. We'll talk about it. We'll put a plan in place, and then I'll get you with my credit partners who can get your credit fixed up in no time. Some things that are going to affect you when you buy: bankruptcies. Typically, you need to be 2 years out of a bankruptcy. Chapter 13, there are different options, so reach out. We'll talk about it. Chapter 7, 2 years minimum for FHA, 3 years for USDA, even longer for conventional unless there's extenuating circumstances. So credit's important. Pay attention to it. Keep your balances low. Pay your bills on time. Pay your student loans. Don't let them get past due. It'll kill you. You want to buy a house, you got to do this little minor things. It's part of being an adult. And here we go. Talk to you soon.